Round 1. Create a magic ring. Chain 1. Chain 3. Work 9 double crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Rounds 2 to 4. Chain 3. 9 double crochet. Slip stitch to join. Round 5. Chain 3. 9 double crochet increases, 18 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. Round 6. Chain 3. Work 3 double crochet in 1 stitch 18 times, 54 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. Round 7. Chain 3. Work 3 double crochet in 1 stitch, 54 times, 162 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. Round 8. Change color for edging. Chain 1. Repeat single crochet, chain 3 162 times. Slip stitch to join. Round 1. Create a magic ring. Chain 1. Work 12 half double crochet, into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Rounds 2 to 9. Chain 1. 12 single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Round 10. Chain 3. 2 double crochet, unfinished stitch. Open picot. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Repeat steps 1 to 5 6 times. Slip stitch to join. Round 1. Chain 1. Chain 17. Add wire. Work 5 half double crochet in third chain from hook. Nine single crochet. Two single crochet, open picot, single crochet. Nine single crochet. Five half double crochet. Slip stitch to join. Wrap wire. First, give that flower stem a little bend and poke it into your flower. It's like giving your flower a backbone. Now, fold the bottom of your flower and glue it snug. It's getting cozy in there. Slide that stem into the flower base. Perfect fit. Let's give it some greenery. Pop those leaves on and watch it come to life. Time to make it tight, pull that stem and start wrapping. Round and round we go. Almost done. Secure everything with a dab of glue. Make it stick.